all of you. Today's online class is social science, continuation of history, evolution of man. Primitive man who lived 6 to 7 lakh years ago were not like modern men. They had a broad sloping forehead, stooping trunk, hands long up to the knees. The hands were used for simple operations like plucking fruits, digging grounds, pulling things, etc. Different types of human beings. The evolution of human beings we will see in detail in this video. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. Archaeologists found out the history of human beings by examining the remainings found from the constructions of early human beings. From excavations, they found coins, stone pillars, vessels, ornaments, rocks, copper plates, bricks, etc. Different materials found by the archaeological department made the scientists to recognize the period when these people lived. Scientists use different methods to find out the antiquity of materials. Radiocarbon method is one method used for finding the antiquity of materials. Knowledge of agriculture was learned from examining the remainings of agriculture. Pollen analysis is the method used for that. Evolution of metallurgy can be traced from the places where metals were excavated. The study of coins is known as numismatics. It enables to gather information about the period, dynasty, trade relations, art, etc. of that period. This represents the evolution of human people. Humans evolved from chimpanzees, Australopithecus, Sinjanthropus, Pithecanthropus erectus, Sinanthropus, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon man. These are the different evolutions of human beings. Hominids are the first variety of people who resembled human beings who stood erect found in Africa. Australopithecus are the people resembling hominids which walked erect for the first time. Sinjanthropus is a subgroup of Australopithecus. Pithecanthropus erectus, or called as the Java man, is the first hominid found in Asia. Sinanthropus, or Peking man, is found in China. It is similar to Java man. Neanderthal man, found in Neanderthal Valley in Germany. He had a resemblance to man. Cro-Magnon man, the successor of Neanderthal man, was found in the caves of France. The skeleton of primitive, about 8 million years old, was found in Shivalik ranges in India. This is known as Ramapithecus. See the picture of erect human beings. Australopithecus number 1, the face having the similarity of chimpanzees but standing erect on two legs. The hands are short. Pithecanthropus erectus is again standing straight, used weapons for hunting. Neanderthal man is similar to human beings. They used animal skin to cover their body, similar to modern man. Homo sapiens developed brain was originated around 40,000 years ago. The present day man belongs to Homo sapiens. The present day man having intelligence and brain, they belong to the Homo sapiens. Branch of science which studies the remains of historical areas is called as archaeology. They excavate the remainings of constructions, memorials, rocks, tools and weapons, coins, ornaments, and grains, study carefully, scientifically, using different methods like carbon method, pollen analysis, metallurgy, numismatics, and learn about the history. The study of inscriptions on stone and metal carvings is known as epigraphy. The study of alphabet found in writings in inscriptions are known as paleography. These are all about evolution of human beings. The remaining topics of social science we will continue with geography next time. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.